Hello friends, in this video I'd like to solve the following problem from the Italian Mathematical Olympiad, year 2023. Problem number 1. Let a and b be positive integers such that 54 to the power of a equals a to the power of b. Prove that a is it's a power of 54. So my hints for this problem: first of all, factorize 54, and then think about which primes can appear in the factorization of a. In other words, which primes can divide a. And that should be sufficient. We'll give this problem a try and I will see you in a moment. Okay, so I hope that you've managed to solve it. First of all, let's notice the following. 54 is 2 times 27. So we have the following: 2 to the power of a times 3 to the power 3a, because it's 27 to the power of a, equals a to the power of b. And that means that in our prime decomposition of number a, the only primes that can divide a are 2 and 3, because on the left-hand side we have a product of powers of 2 and 3. So let's write it. That implies that the only primes which can divide a are 2 and 3. So let's write that a equals 2 to some power x times 3 to some power, where x and y are natural numbers. Okay, and let's see. On the left hand side we have 2 to the power of a times 3 to the power 3 times a, while on the right hand side we have 2 to the power b times x times 3 to the power b times y. Okay, but now we know that the prime factorization is unique, so the same primes must appear with the same powers. That implies that a must be equal b times x and 3 times a must be equal b times y. But if you look closely now, that means that b times y equals 3 times b times x. And that implies, because from our assumption b is a positive integer, we can safely divide by b, and we know that y equals 3 times x. But that means that number a, which we assumed to be 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power of y, this is just 2 to the power of x times 3 to the power 3 times x, which is 2 to the power of x times 27 to the power of x. Lo and behold, 54 to the power of x. And that closes our reasoning, our proof, because 54 of x is a power of 54, obviously. QED, quite easily done. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.